Now, money is nothing else than a reflection, a direct reflection of the value we create to the marketplace. I'm going to repeat that. Money is a direct reflection of the value we create to the marketplace. I'll give an example. An employee of a company, let's say a person who works at the reception, he or she does a great job and it's a key person to the organization. But that person will have a certain income or a certain wage based on the value that the person creates for the company. On the other hand, a CEO of a company, perhaps the same company, will have a much higher wage, not because he or she is more intelligent or more capable, but simply because that person creates more value to the marketplace through the company. I hope it's making sense here. Now, if you are running your own business or if you are thinking about going to business, which I hope you do, always remember the financial returns you are going to get through business or through the work that you do is a direct proportion to the value created to the marketplace. For example, if you work for somebody still and you think, oh, I don't earn enough. Well, the income you get, the wage you receive, for example, the salary, whatever the definition is, it's somehow in direct proportion to the value created to the company. Now, if you want to increase your value to the company to get more money, if you want to increase what you earn in the company, if there is such a way to do it, it's simply by increasing the value you create to the company, to the marketplace, which is that particular company. If you run a business or if you're thinking about starting one, the income you're going to get, the profits, the cash flows, the equity, all the good stuff, it's going to be a direct reflection of the value you create.